Hey guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. With Sangram. Today there is a new job opportunity from S&P Global company. The job role is Data Analyst and there are total 2 locations available for this job, which are Hyderabad and Ahmedabad. This job comes under data management and freshers and experienced both can apply for this opportunity. Let's discuss about the job opportunity. As you all know, S&P Global is one of the best consulting firm. And if you can start your career as a data analyst here, that will be a great start for you. So here they have mentioned what you actually have to do in this role. You need to work with the data team. You need to deliver all the financial related data driven insights to the customers and the stakeholders. You need to do data collection, standardization, validation, business relations, competitors and produces the service data from companies published reports. To work within parameters and with supervisions to ensure quality and performance, to set as standards, to provide input and ideas for new collection methods and product enhancements related to respective processes, troubleshoot problem or issues and provide support to the team. So these are your roles and responsibilities. Below they have mentioned the eligibility criteria. You need to complete your bachelor's or master degree in business administration or environmental science. That's enough actually. But if you have done BTech or during BTech, if you have done any specialization on data science, data analyst, machine learning, you can also apply for this role. Also, if you have done any kind of degree and after that if you have done any kind of professional certifications on data analytics, data science, then also you are eligible for this opportunity. Rotational shifts will be there because mostly you will get US clients, so you need to agree with these terms and conditions. Also, some of the non-technical skills like ability to multitask, effective communication skills, and then well versed with research, internet searching, etc., Microsoft Office, these are actually important here. Preferred qualification, they have mentioned some of the skills like ability to prioritize, multitasking, positive attitude, some of the technical skills like advanced Excel, Power BI, SQL, database management. As you all know, these skills are mandatory for data analytics role. So if you know about these things, please mention this in your resume to get shortlisted for the job interview. Below they have provided the apply button. I will provide you this link in the video description so that you can also apply for this role. And also if you are interested to switch your career to data science, data analyst, machine learning, artificial intelligence, then you can comment below so that I can create a dedicated video on the career path or career transition on those domains. Okay, so that's all about today's job opportunity. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. This is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.